Rubber ducks that hold spices, a colander made out of a bag, a banana pillow, and a lollipop instead of a spoon? Learn unexpected ideas for everyday objects in our new video. What is Redhead drawing on a cookie with? She's using a syringe instead of a confectionery bag. Fill a big syringe with icing and draw on a cookie with it. Wow! Samantha wants to try out the new pastry art technique. It turns out to be very comfortable. A few minutes and a bright cookie is all done. Flowers in a regular vase are so boring. Our home is all about high aesthetic and design. That's why Rosie comes up with a more interesting vase. Make 3 round holes in a mannequin head. Color the head silver. Put a bottle with water inside. Stick flowers into the head like a vase. There you go! A bouquet looks way better in this vase, and my creativity starts blooming. Rosie is going to cook something. Oops! Help! Flour is attacking me! I don't think the recipe says mix flour with Rosie. She will have to clean it off. Redhead never has problems like this because she always uses Ziplocs for open packages. Cut the bendy part off a straw. Cut the straw lengthwise and close an open package with it like a Ziploc bag. Flour won't attack anyone now. The straw lock keeps it safe. Is it going to rain? No worries. Rosie has a rain tent. Make holes in an open umbrella using a hot glue gun. Stick in plastic hooks. Measure the distance between the hooks. Make the same holes on a clear plastic film. Put the plastic onto the hooks. When the umbrella is closed, hide the plastic inside. Rosie opens her Wonder Umbrella. She's not even afraid of a downpour. Using this umbrella will help her stay dry in the rain. Redhead is cooking breakfast. Done with the eggs. Now let's cook vegetables. What is she looking for? Rubber ducks? Does she actually want to take a bath in this pot? No, it's much simpler than that. Mark dots on rubber bath ducks. Make holes with a modeling knife. Fill the ducks with salt and pepper using a syringe. Cover the hole with light clay. Sign them with a marker. Let me introduce to you my ducks, Salt and Pepper, and they're experts at their job. In order to cook small vegetables, Redhead uses pot holders. Make holes for water in silicone pot holders. Put in vegetables. Hang the pot holders onto a pot and dip the vegetables in boiling water. It's so helpful. It looks like peas in a hot tub. They cook so well in the pot holders. Breakfast is ready. Is your dish missing some flavor? Use some spray ketchup. Pour ketchup into a spray bottle. Let a fried egg have a ketchup shower. So simple and easy. Rosie runs over when she smells food. She will add some spices to this egg like a real cowgirl. Fill a syringe with mustard and pour it into a water gun. Cooking cowgirl Rosie shoots with mustard like a pro. She always protects her taste buds. Rosie is using an eyelash curler, but it looks like she wants to curl her tongue. Take the rubber off an eyelash curler. Cut it to get bristles and put it back. Coat the handle with white glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Secure it with clear nail polish. Rosie quickly and easily cleans her tongue with a handy brush made out of a curler. Now wash the device and put it into a drawer until the next time. Redhead's neck is numb. She needs reliable support for her head. A cute banana pillow will help. Cut a swim ring. Glue the cuts and blow it up. Mark the piece on yellow fabric. Cut out a base. sew a banana-shaped case. Add details with fabric paint. With this pillow, you can sleep in the most uncomfortable places. Trust this banana. It will make your nap cozy. Regular markers are not for Rosie. She wants to be creative at everything, so she makes a marker out of a syringe. Take markers apart. Cut the needle off a syringe. Cut the needle cap. Cover the cut with hot glue. Stick in the marker tip instead of the needle. Put the wadding inside. Close the cap and insert the plunger. My friend has some weird school supplies. Let's try drawing with her marker. It's so easy! Even a syringe can learn how to draw. No room for spaghetti? Use a water bottle. Put spaghetti into a plastic water bottle. Samantha comes up with an excellent solution. Now spaghetti definitely won't break. The girls are watching the saddest movie in the universe, E.T. on the Titanic. A sea of tears is guaranteed. Thank goodness Redhead has a creative tissue holder. Cut a CD box lid. Make a long cut. Cover the sharp edges with cut straws. Color the box with acrylic paints. Put a paper towel roll inside. Close the lid. Rosie sees the colorful tissue holder. What a nice idea! At least there is one bright thing in this world of tears and worries. A loud door slam is scary for faint-hearted people. Rosie is annoyed, so she takes revenge on the door using her stuffed toy. Put decorative stones into an old stuffed toy with a zipper pocket. Rosie is very accurate. This toy makes a great door stopper. The soft doorman holds the door for you. Redhead talks on the phone so much that she charges it every hour. Thank goodness that a flamingo charger is always on guard. Hide the power connector of a charger in a rubber flamingo toy. The charger looks much better with this cute bird. There is a boring show on TV and the remote is missing again. I guess I have to watch it and suffer. But right until Rosie shows up with her organizer. Sew pillow corners making bear ears. Sew the sleeves from an old sweater and stuff them with polyester filling. Cut bear paws out of brown felt. Attach them to the sleeves. Add felt claws. Sew elastic ribbon to the pillow. Make partitions for different things. Sew the paws to both sides of the pillow. Attach a felt bear muzzle. Rosie brings her favorite bear. He's got everything you need. A remote control, treats, and warm bear hugs. Watching TV with this bear is much cozier. Rosie saves space in the bathroom. She joined a toothbrush and toothpaste. Cut a part of a toothbrush handle. Hot glue the brush to a toothpaste cap. This way, everything is nearby all the time, and you don't have to look for a toothbrush cup. The girls are having tea with candies, but Samantha is using her lollipop instead of a teaspoon. Mix tea in a cup with a lollipop. Use it instead of sugar. Samantha shows a new hack. A lollipop is a spoon and a sweetener at the same time. Tea became much tastier. The girls take their shoes off and leave them right near the door. There will be a mountain of shoes here soon, but Rosie solves this problem. Color a file organizer with spray paint. Put in slippers and flat shoes. A regular file organizer in your corridor can keep shoes in order. Redhead is doing a lazy workout. A soft donut rolls in just in time. Wrap a swim ring in rope. Pass the rope through the loops. Cover the entire surface. Coat the top part of the rope with white acrylic paint. Attach foam rubber sheet hearts. Redhead sits down on her new puff chair. Sitting on a giant donut is a sweet tooth's dream come true. Rosie wants to cook broccoli, but she doesn't have a colander. Let's use a net food bag. Put broccoli into a clean net food bag and cook vegetables in it. Cooking vegetables in a net bag is a great hack for a healthy and convenient diet. A hanger with a blackboard is great for forgetful people. Draw a pentagon-shaped bullhead on the back of a photo frame. Cut it out with a Fretsaw. Coat it with Blackboard paint. Cut 2 wooden hangers. Glue them on top in a horn shape. Put hats and keys onto the bull's horns and write a reminder about what you have to take on the blackboard. This way you definitely won't forget anything. Rosie's school supply cup is way too pink. Let's turn it into a cup for smart kids. Glue buttons of an old keyboard to a school supplies cup. This is what happens when a keyboard hugs a school supplies cup. The cup looks more serious now. Rosie spoils Samantha's picture with her pencil, but Samantha erases it. And what if Rosie takes away the eraser? Then Samantha won't get confused either. She erases pencil marks with a shoe brush. It turns out that a suede brush is great both for shoes and for notebooks. Did you like our weird life hacks? Then write in the comments which ones you will use. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new handy tips and tricks on Troom Troom.